Welcome to Manila in the Philippines at the Robertsons Mall. Come shopping with us. Holland America cruise line 28-day Asia cruise. We were on this cruise, got to Manila, and they had a shuttle bus that ran every 30 to 45 minutes to this mall. It was huge. Check out this mall. The decorations were for the Lunar New Year, the year of the horse, and they were beautiful. Holland America didn't charge anything for the shuttle bus, so it was free. The mall's open Monday through Friday, 11 to 10 p.m., and Saturday and Sunday, 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. The mall's strategically located at the heart of the historic city of Manila. The mall even had a huge grocery store in it, and that was just a nice place to pick up toiletries since we were traveling. Located in the Ermita area region of Manila. Happy to see an H&M, and I picked up a pretty new sundress for our trip. Then it was back on the shuttle bus, back on the cruise ship, and off to our next port. Get out there and keep traveling, my friends.